Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Device is on, connected to the internet, and you have admin or permitted user credentials. Install the approved remote client now. This is the only supported method, so avoid alternatives. Once installed, enable remote access in settings and allow firewall exceptions because blocked ports stop the session. Make sure you record the host IP or ID and create a strong session password. This prevents unauthorized access and lets you begin the first connection attempt immediately. You now authenticate and establish the session. Enter the host ID or IP, then validate the server certificate or fingerprint so you're not connecting to a spoof. Next, perform authentication, password first, then two-factor if enabled, because layered authentication reduces risk. Once connected, select encryption and compression settings to balance speed versus security, and test screen sharing, audio, and remote input to confirm full control. Make sure to monitor permission prompts and session logs as you proceed, accepting only expected actions. You finish by completing work, transferring files through the encrypted channel, and closing remote applications before disconnecting. This avoids leaving services exposed. Once disconnected, revoke session tokens or rotate passwords to prevent reuse and clear temporary files created during the session. If something goes wrong, here's a key troubleshooting tip. Reboot the host and client, verify NAT and port forwarding or relay status. Then retry while capturing logs. This sequence resolves most connectivity and authentication issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.